Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Antutu benchmark test between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Poco F2 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is the Poco F2 Pro, which has a Snapdragon 865 processor, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro, which has a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So it is a 8GB RAM variant, and even the Poco F2 Pro is also 8GB RAM variant. And in this video, let's compare the Antutu benchmark test between both of the smartphones. So which phone has the better Antutu benchmark score as well. So how much is the difference can it be there between the 865 processor versus the Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So let's see, friends, and for more interesting videos and interesting comparisons on these mobile phones, try to subscribe to my channel. And in case if you plan to buy the Realme X7 Pro, so make sure to follow me regularly, because every day I'll try to post the new videos on the Realme X7 Pro. So and also follow the playlist as well, so which will be helping you a lot in terms of deciding whether to buy this phone or not. So let's get started, friends, by opening the Antutu benchmark application in both of the smartphones. So here is the Antutu benchmark score which has been already done. So let me try to just quickly compare both the phones regarding the Antutu benchmark score. And as you can clearly see, there is a difference of, I think, close to 30,000. 30 to 40,000 difference is there between the Antutu benchmark score. So if you compare both phones side by side, as you can see here. So in terms of the CPU, 1,60,000 and 1,80,000. So there is a difference of 20,000 in terms of the CPU, and GPU is of 2 lakhs and 2,15,000. So same kind of difference, like 15,000 difference is there between the both the mobile phones, Poco F2 Pro and the Dimensity 1000 plus. So overall, friends, what I did understand is that the Dimensity 1000 plus is not as powerful as the 865 processors. So definitely this is one thing you need to remember. So before buying this Realme X7 Pro, that the processor is 1000 plus processor and it's not as powerful as the 865. So if the Realme, they are launching this mobile phone for more price, then definitely you can search for other mobile phones which are having the 865 processor, and better you buy that processor, not this one, in case if you want to buy the phone for the as a future proof option. So to be on the safe side, buy the 865. And as I said, both phones doesn't make much difference, but a little bit difference you can see here in terms of the Antutu score. So this Dimensity 1000 plus processor comes between Snapdragon 855 plus and 865. It lies this is a score between this kind of both processors. And this is a quick Antutu benchmark comparison, friends. And for more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.